Umbiko wamaphoyisa uveza ukuthi lona wesilisa oneminyaka engama-28 washaya wabulala owesifazane oneminyaka eyi-15 ubudala owayezithwele eVetbod kanti-ke wagoqa isidumbu sakhe ngengubo maqede washaya wachitha emjondolo wakhe.
Umama wakhe ufike lapha emjondolo, isoka lakhe belingabonwa nangokhalo. Umzimba walengane ubukade usongwe ngengubo enamanxeba umzimba wonke.
Umphakathi nomndeni owesifazane bamthungatha lona wesilisa baze bamthola-ke ilapho-ke bamshaya khona maqede bambhunyela ngophalafini bamthungela ngomlilo.
Community idirile sesidirile nka go bolaya mono ka go
akashonelanga ezandleni zethu, ushonele esibhedlela. Umphakathi umthele ngopharafini nje kuphela.
Umphakathi ufuna badedelwe abasolwa abathathu.
We want them to be released because we don't see anything wrong with everything that they did. They did that as a community because they were concerned. People are being murdered in our neighborhood.
Ka gore tiro e dirilwe ke community.
Ngoba lesi sigameko senziwe umphakathi, ngakho sifuna amaphoyisa asibophe sonke. Khona sizogcwala ikamu lamaphoyisa.
Amaphoyisa athi kukhona abanye abasazokhalelwa amasongo kaSigonyela.
The Provincial Police Commissioner, Lieutenant General Silo Kwena, condemned the incident and pleaded with the community to stop taking law into their own hands, but to work together with the police in the fight against crime.